Once upon a time in a secluded mountain village, there lived a wise and revered Zen master named Hiroshi. Hiroshi was known for his profound teachings and serene presence, which attracted people from far and wide seeking his wisdom. Many sought to learn from him and discover the secret to inner peace and enlightenment. One day, a young and eager disciple named Takeshi arrived at Hiroshi's humble dwelling. Takeshi was filled with excitement and anticipation, as he hoped to learn the secrets of Zen from the renowned master. With great humility, he approached Hiroshi and asked, "Master, I wish to understand the path to enlightenment. Please teach me." Hiroshi smiled gently and invited Takeshi to sit beside him. "Enlightenment is not something to be acquired or achieved," he said softly. "It is a state of being that already exists within each of us. The key lies in cultivating stillness." Takeshi was perplexed. "Master, how can stillness lead to enlightenment? Shouldn't we be actively seeking knowledge and practicing rigorous meditation?" Hiroshi chuckled warmly. Young one, it is in stillness that we truly discover ourselves. Our minds are often filled with constant chatter, worries, and desires. To truly understand our essence, we must quiet the mind and allow our true nature to emerge." Takeshi nodded, eager to learn more. Hiroshi continued, "Let me share with you a story that illustrates the power of stillness. Many years ago, in a bustling city, there was a renowned archery tournament. The greatest archers from across the land had gathered to showcase their skills. Among them was a young and talented archer named Koji. Koji was known for his lightning-fast reflexes and unbeatable aim. He had won numerous competitions and was considered the favorite to win the tournament. As the tournament progressed, Koji effortlessly defeated one opponent after another. His opponents were mesmerized by his incredible speed and accuracy. It seemed as if he had mastered the art of archery to perfection. In the final round, Koji faced an elderly archer named Daichi, who was known for his calm and composed demeanor. Despite his advanced age, Daichi had a reputation for surprising his opponents with his unerring precision. As the crowd watched with bated breath, the match began. Koji confidently notched his arrow and pulled back his bowstring. He released the arrow with tremendous force, and it flew straight towards the target. However, to his astonishment, it missed the bullseye by a hair's breadth. Daichi stepped forward, his movements slow and deliberate. He raised his bow and arrow, and for a moment, time seemed to stand still. Without a trace of effort, he released the arrow, and it soared gracefully through the air, hitting the bullseye dead center. The crowd erupted in thunderous applause, shocked by Daichi's incredible display of skill. Koji, humbled and perplexed, approached Daichi and asked, "Master, how did you achieve such perfection with so little effort?" Daichi smiled and replied, "Young archer, you possess great skill and speed, but you lack one crucial element, stillness. In your pursuit of victory, you have forgotten the importance of inner calm. When you release the arrow, your mind is filled with thoughts of success or failure. Your focus is divided, and your aim is affected." He continued, "In contrast, I have learned to cultivate stillness within myself. I become one with the bow, the arrow, and the target. In that moment, nothing exists except the pure intention to hit the bullseye. There is no thought of victory or defeat, only the perfect harmony of body, mind, and spirit."